Welcome to the Urispec Plus user DVD. This DVD is designed to give you an introduction to the Urispec Plus urinalysis system. The video includes a quick start section that covers all the reader's basic functions from package content to measurement, so that you can start working with the reader right away. Additionally, the video covers the important areas of cleaning and maintenance, quality control and troubleshooting. We thank you for purchasing a Urispec Plus reader. Should you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to contact your technical support. Package content. To open the package, place the Urispec Plus box on an even surface. Open the box using a sharp instrument. The box contains a quick reference guide, the manual, this DVD, the Urispec Plus device, a cardboard box with a power pack, and a roll of printer paper. Device description. Front side. This is the front side of the instrument. You can see the touch screen, the self-extracting test strip holder, the printer cover, and the printer cover opening button. Backside. On the back side of the instrument you will find the on-off switch, the serial interface RS232, the USB port, both are for connecting the device to a PC, and the DC input power supply. Reverse side. From the reverse side of the reader you can access the battery slot for 6 AA batteries and the label with reader serial number. Start screen. After switching on the device, the start screen appears. You will find the sequence number, the patient's ID. You can also press the P to get the reader in standby mode, and the downward arrow to get to the main menu. Setup. To set up the reader for measurement, first place it on a flat, even and hard surface. Then insert the printer paper. Open the printer paper cover by pressing the little button right next to the cover lid. Take the thermal printer roll and unwind 2 to 4 inches of paper. Insert the thermal printer paper with the loose end facing upwards and towards the touch screen. Close the printer cover. To supply the reader with power, open the white cardboard box and remove the power pack. Take the adapter from the cardboard box. Remove the wire from the power cord. Remove the plastic cover from the power pack by pulling the black button. Insert the adapter into the open slot. Plug the power pack into the DC in port at the reader's backside. Plug in the power pack into an outlet. Now the reader is set up and ready. Please note, to assure the reader's correct functioning, keep it out of direct bright light. Measurement. Before you start, we suggest you always wear protective gloves when measuring to avoid exposure to urine. To start measuring, turn on the reader, using the on-off switch on the reader backside. The black strip holder will extract automatically from the housing, and the reader will perform a self-test. The result will be printed every time the reader is turned on. Note: after 3 minutes, the reader automatically goes into standby mode and retracts the strip holder. To activate the system again, simply touch the touch screen. Once the reader is turned on, you have to choose the Urispec test strip you want to measure. You have 15 seconds to make your choice. If no selection is made, the reader automatically activates the Urispec 11-way strip. After the initial startup, the instrument will remember the strip type it chose last, but will show the strip selection screen every time the reader is turned on. After you have selected your strip type, the start screen shows the sequence number and patient ID. Touch the P on the bottom left to put the reader in standby mode. The downward arrow gets you to the main menu. The system is now ready to perform measurements. To actually measure a sample, you need an activated reader, original Urispec test strips and a sample. Place a paper towel on the table close to the reader. Take a bottle of Urispec test strips. Make sure to only use the original Urispec strips to assure accurate and safe results. Open the bottle. Take out a test strip and place it on the paper towel with the test fields facing upwards. Close the bottle right after taking out the strip. Take the strip and dip it into the sample. Make sure to immerse all test fields completely. Draw the long edge of the strip along the rim of the sample container. Place the long edge of the strip on the paper towel to remove excess liquid. Place the strip on the strip holder. The reader starts measurement automatically. The measurement will take 60 seconds. The strip will retract into the housing after 30 seconds. Don't remove the strip earlier. Another 30 seconds later, the test strip is extracted from the housing. Now the measurement is complete. If there are positive findings, the reader beeps. The results are printed and shown in the display as well. In case of positive results, the parameters are marked with an asterisk. Discard the used strip. Use the paper towel to remove any urine residues from the strip holder to avoid cross-contamination. Discard the paper towel and use a new one for the next measurement. Remove the printout for your records. For a new measurement, simply repeat the steps above. Once all measurements are completed, put the system in standby mode by pressing the P on the bottom left. Then turn off the reader by pressing the on-off switch on its backside. Make sure to always clean the reader once you are done with the measurement sequence. Cleaning and maintenance. Cleaning. For cleaning, the reader has to be turned off. First, pull the strip holder out of the housing and remove the black plastic cover. Thoroughly clean the strip holder cover with running water. Use a brush to remove any crystalline deposits. Then, dry the strip holder cover with a soft cloth. Wipe down both the metal strip holder and plastic strip holder cover with 70% alcohol or a similar suitable disinfectant. To clean the port of the strip holder, also use 70% alcohol and a soft cloth. Put the strip holder cover back onto the metal strip holder. Then, completely push the strip holder into the reader. Wipe down the rest of the housing with a soft cloth. You can use a mild cleaning agent if necessary, but make sure no moisture gets into the reader. Finally, clean the display with a lint-free or microfiber cloth. Changing printer paper. Press the button which is right next to the printer paper cover to unlock it. Open the cover and remove the old printer paper roll. Take a new thermal printer roll and unwind 2 to 4 inches of paper. Then insert the thermal printer paper with the loose end facing upwards and towards the touch screen. Lastly, close the printer cover. Make sure to only use special thermal printer paper. Quality control. Constant quality control is essential to ensure the reader operates and measures accurately. We therefore recommend quality control with one known positive and one known negative quality control solution. We suggest you run a quality control measurement every new lot or every new shipment, preferably for every new bottle, but at least monthly. To actually perform the quality control, turn on the reader. Then you have to enter the check mode. To get there, press the downward arrow on the touchscreen button right to open the main menu. In the main menu, press check mode. In the check mode, press measurement. Now choose negative or positive sample and confirm by pressing the check mark. The test with the control solution works exactly the same way as a normal measurement. Place a paper towel in front of the reader. Have both the negative and positive control solution ready for measurement. Take a bottle with Urispec test strips. Note: only use the original Urispec strips. Open the bottle. Take out a test strip and place it on a paper towel with the test fields facing upwards. Close the bottle right after taking out the strip. Take the strip and dip it into the sample. Make sure to immerse all test fields completely. Remember to choose the sample you actually confirmed in the check mode. Draw the long edge of the strip along the rim of the sample container. Gently place the long edge of the strip on the paper towel to remove excess liquid. Place the strip on the strip holder. The reader starts measurement automatically. The measurement will take 60 seconds. The strip will retract in the housing after 30 seconds. Don't remove the strip earlier. Another 30 seconds later, the test strip is extracted from the housing again. The measurement is now complete. Results are printed and shown on the display. Now use the second control solution. To do so, press the backwards arrow on the display. You get back to the main menu. Now go to the check mode again. Press the downward arrow on the touchscreen button right to open the main menu. In the main menu, press check mode. In the check mode, press measurement. Now choose, depending on what you tested first, negative or positive, and confirm by pressing the check mark. The test will be performed exactly as for the other control solution. In case of a positive control solution, the reader would beep and parameters should be marked with an asterisk. If you used negative control solution, the reader shouldn't show any positive findings. If the reader gives wrong results, negative in case of positive sample solution or positive in case of negative sample solution, please contact your technical support. Troubleshooting. Dry strip. Dry strip indicates that some test fields have not or not sufficiently come into contact with the sample. The test strip has not been dipped completely. Repeat the measurement with a new stick and make sure to immerse all test fields completely. Wrong strip. Wrong test strip indicates that not the original Urispec strips or an incorrect Urispec type has been used. Turn off the instrument. Make sure to select the correct Urispec strip type when starting the reader. Repeat the measurement with the correct Urispec test strip. Wrong position. Wrong position indicates the strip has been placed incorrectly on the strip holder. Most likely, the strip was not aligned with the recess of the strip holder. Perform a new measurement. Place strip on a strip holder correctly. Make sure the strip is aligned and lies in the strip holder's recess. Also make sure there is no spotlight. Secondly, the wrong position error message can occur if spotlight is focused on the strip holder. Remove the spotlight and perform a new measurement. Low battery. Low battery indicates the reader is running out of power. Exchange the batteries or connect the reader to an external power source. Reader does not start. If the reader does not start, most likely it is not connected to an outlet or using empty batteries. Check whether all connections are plugged. Test if power pack is functioning. If you use batteries, try using new batteries. If the problems still persist, please contact your technical support.